Hey guys, we received this Action red pens for test and try, 12 pieces gel pens with a fine point, smooth writing pens, and the gel ink pens with the screen touch stylus. So here you can see that their pen have a touch stylus on the top and then a nice like the pen, smooth surface, easy to use. The feel is also smooth, that no grip is nice for these pens and the touch sensor as well. So say the touch sensors really work fine with the touch screens like mobile or laptop or any other thing. And you can also just click and see like, so I have to remove this protective thing just to use. So the pen is around 5.5 inches and this is a red ink, and you can see the very nice bright red ink. Writing is also smooth with this fine point where I can easily control the writing tips. So it's a 0.7 mm, and the pens, you can also refill the pens, with the different color refills, and it's easy to do that as well. So touchable screen, pen clip, smooth and nice pen set with the sensor and replaceable or refill thing.